Hello guys, welcome to our video, and to this video we're going to discuss about loops. And first we are going to discuss the Java while loop. So the while loop, we have two loops in while. So we have while loop and do while loops. So first of all, we the loops is can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable. So first, we have the Java while loop. The Java while loops through a block of code as a specified condition is true. So ito yung syntax ng while loops. So, yung while na keyword, tsaka open and close parenthesis, and condition niya, at tsaka inside sa block na to, isang mag-execute if qualify sa condition dito. So, in this example, we have this int na I, which is 0. So, yung value niya is 0. So, -5 less than 5, true. Kaya i-print niya yung value na 0. Comment muna natin tong example natin sa do while. So, try natin mag-run. So, yung nag-output siya dito na yung value niya is 0. Kaya nag-print siya ng 0 dyan. Then, nag-add siya ng isa kasi increment. So, ito yung increment operators natin. So, pag nag-run siya ulit, so, ayan. So, meron siyang dito. So, ayan. Meron siyang 1 na value. So, kasi yung 1 na value ng I is less than 5 pa man siya. So, preprint niya yung 2. Kaya siya increment na naman, nagiging 2 ulit value is less than 5 pa siya. And then, print niya ulit, 3, naging 3 na siya. Print niya ulit, naging 4. At saka yung 4 is, nag-count pa siya, nag-skip siya ng 4. Yan, pag-increment niya, nagiging 5 siya, yung value ng I, nagiging 5. Hindi na siya makapag-execute dito kasi yung condition niya is false na. So, na-end na yung execution ng while loop. So, yun lang guys. So, pag mag-match lang dito yung condition niya. So, ayan guys. So, nag-execute siya dito. So, pag mag-true yung condition niya, execute niya yung sa inside na block na to. At saka pag tapos na yung if mag-pause na yung condition dito, tsaka na mag-end yung execution niya. So, yan guys. So, dito naman tayo sa do while loop. Comment muna natin ito. So, dito naman tayo sa do while loop. Yung do while loop naman is a variant of the while loop because these loops will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. So, yung syntax niya is ito. Hindi pala, yung syntax dito is do at saka yung while niya is nandito sa baba. Ayan. So, yung condition niya dito. So, ayan guys. So, yung example natin. So, ito yung example natin. Lagyan na. Kunin natin yung comment. So, ayan guys. So, yung syntax niya is do, tsaka yung block of code, at tsaka yung condition. So, ayan guys. So, check natin if yung x na value x na variables may value sa na 0. Ipiprint mo na yung code, yung yung block na do. Ipiprint niya yung value ng x, saka mag-increment siya muna bago i-check yung value. So, try natin. So, yung lumabas is pareha lang yung sa same lang yung po. So, yung x natin is 0, print niya yung 0, tsaka nag-increment siya, nagiging 1, tsaka if yung 1 is less than 5, ipiprint niya yung 1, then increment na naman siya ng isa, check niya yung 1 na value if less than, then ipiprint na naman niya kasi true, then true, and then until na maabot siya ng 4, tsaka mag-increment siya ng 5 kasi dagdag ng 1, at saka yung 5 i-evaluate natin dito sa condition na to. If yung 5 is greater or less than to 5, false kasi false na yung value. So yung code na block dito hindi na yan mag-execute kasi nag-end na yung looping niya kasi yung value niya is nagiging false na. So I hope you have learned a lot of this video guys. So it's more very helpful you and to master this because we use this very interesting. You can master this looping. So I hope you can research more about this and make you try to yourself, and I hope you will learn a lot of this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and see you in next video.